Hello and welcome to another video of Gizbot. This is Karan Sharma and today I'm here at Q Mango Forest and GoPro has arranged this event for us so that we can test this camera and see what's there in it and do some adventure here. So check out these footages and tell us in the comment section how do you like these footages. This is the resort where we are staying today. Let's go. We are going to do the zip lining and it will go from here to that side. Right now we are going for the rappelling. This is the view from the top actually, and we have to go there for rappelling. I'm running right now. This is a stability test of GoPro HERO7 Silver. So this is a wrap onto this trip and thank you GoPro for arranging such an amazing event for us. So all these footages are taken on GoPro HERO7 Silver. So if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is Karan Sharma signing off. Gizbot.